If you're a student looking to make some extra money online, then this is the video for you, because in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can make money online as a student. And I'm going to take you through a few methods that I think are the best for students and that I know that people are making money from right now. Now, I understand it can be hard as a student trying to make some money because you're busy with actually doing schoolwork and things like that. But there are some methods that you can do today to actually make some money online as a student. And I want to take you through those step by step. Now, some of these methods, I know people that are making $100 per month, $300 per month, $500 per month. It really depends on how much work you put in, but there are some people making pretty good money with these methods, and I do know that they work for these specific people. So I want to share these with you so you can go and do these as well. And yes, these people are students, they go to university, and they don't have a lot of time to actually put effort into making money online. So I've chosen the best, easiest ones for you that you can actually start today. And in this video, I'm going to show you a plan to earn some extra income as a student, right? So I'm going to show you kind of the best ones that you can do depending on your skill level and stuff like that. Pretty exciting stuff and really easy to understand. Now, before we jump into this video, we're going to get into this video in a second, but we do need to do the giveaway. So in every single video, I give people access to all of my courses and we pick a winner on the next video. What you've got to do is first smash that like button. Once you've smashed that like button, go into the comment section and type "I like internet money because," and then finish the sentence. And we will pick a winner from the comment section and post it in the next video. So to find out if you're actually a winner, you want to make sure you're subscribed to my channel. So go and click that subscribe button as well, so you know when the next video comes out and you can go and see if you're an actual winner and you've won access to my courses. And tap that notification bell so you know when all of my future videos come out about making money online. Now, before we jump into these methods, we do need to go over something really quickly. This is a bit of a disclaimer. I know people making $100 plus a month with this method, students doing this. Now, I'm not promising you results, and the results you get will depend on the work you put in. You put in no work, you get no results. You put in a lot of work, you might get some results, okay? So I'm just telling you right now, I'm not promising you results in this video. The results you get depend on what you actually do. So let's jump into the first method, and I'm going to show you exactly how to make money online as a student in 2021. Now, the first method is simple. This is called drop servicing. So what is drop servicing and how does it actually work? Don't get this confused with drop shipping. So we've actually done an article on our website. So this is one of our websites where we do what is drop servicing, the ultimate guide to getting started. So instead of me actually explaining to you how this all works, you can click the link in the description and you can read our article that takes you through every single thing you need to know. But essentially, in a nutshell, what drop servicing is you essentially create some sort of like free store. You can create a free store online or a free web page or a free website. There's lots of ways you can do that. And you list services on there for sale. Now, you don't have to own these services or anything like that. And I'll show you where to actually find these services, okay? And what you do is you then promote that somewhere. It can be on forums, it could be a blog, it could be on YouTube, and people purchase that service from you. It could be YouTube video editing or something like that. And then what happens is once they actually purchase that from you, you go to another website and you purchase the service, okay? And then you get, and then once you purchase that service, you get that person to do it for you. And then once they've completed that service, then you send it to the customer and you take a profit, okay? So for example, in this photo, you could keep like $100 in profit. Now, this is a full article on how you can actually do it, okay? We take you through step by step on how you can do drop servicing. And not only that, we actually have a YouTube video here as well. They'll leave in the description that takes you through how to do drop servicing step by step. And we actually have some results from one of our students in the past. So you're definitely going to want to check out this video. Now, once you actually get a page set up or a website, where do you find the service? So for example, this is Fiverr.com. Let's say we want to sell a service, YouTube video editing. So I'm going to put in here, YouTube video editing. This is called Fiverr.com. And I'm going to find someone that can do YouTube video editing for me. Okay, so I will edit videos for $20 or $10, starting at $25. These are freelancers that will do it for you. So for essentially, I could say, hey, I'm going to charge people $100 per 5 minutes or something to edit their videos. And then they buy my service, and then I can pay these people to do it for me for $10, $20, $25, and I can make $30, $40, $50 profit, okay? Depending on what my price is. So that's drop servicing. You're essentially a middleman, and you clip the ticket and you make profit that way. So that's method number one, and it's a really good method to make money online if you don't have a product or anything like that. Now, method number two is extremely simple to do, and what this is called freelancing. So what you want to do is you want to find something you're good at online. You should be good at something, like anything. It could be graphic design, it could be logo design, it could be website design, it could be writing articles. You should know how to do at least one freelance thing, okay? And you can actually go to fiverr.com again. So this is called fiverr.com. And what you can actually do is you can actually list your own service on this website. So I could say article writing, okay? So article writing, and fiverr.com is huge. They're on the share market. They're massive. This is a huge website that makes millions and millions of dollars per year in fees. What you can actually do is you could list yourself as, for this is just an example, as an article writer, right? And you can charge people to write articles for them. And what you could do is you could use something like Google Documents, and you could create a blank page, and you could actually go and write content, articles, for these people that will pay you to do it, okay? And you can even do what we call a voiceover, so a voice typing. You can talk and it'll type it for you if you don't want to type. So you can write articles while you're driving. You could write articles while you're actually doing something. Now, what happens on Fiverr is you go out and you list your services. So I will write content for an article, blog post, or website. So you go and list your service on Fiverr as an article writer or like a blog writer or something like that. So for example, content writer, blog writer, and you can charge. So this person charges $25, $50, $100. Now you can do this for free. It's free for you to type content. So there's really no excuse for you to go and do this. But there's even more services that you can do. There's graphic design, so logo design, infographics, gaming art, pattern design, whatever that is. There's digital marketing. There is writing and translation. There's video and animation. There's music and audio. There's programming and tech. There's business. There's lifestyle, and there's industries. And there's all of these subcategories in here. So you should at least have some sort of experience in one of these skills, and you can sell your services online doing one of these things. Okay. Now, what I've actually gone and done is I've created a video on the best ways to make money with Fiverr. I'll leave a link in the description. This takes you through the 7 best ways to make money with this freelancing website. Okay. Another website you can actually use as well. So I'll leave a link for this in the description. Another website you can use is called Upwork.com. Now, this is a bit more advanced than Fiverr, but you can actually go and list your services on here as well. And you actually get paid more money on Upwork because it's more of a kind of like a upmarket version of Fiverr. And the people on there are a bit more better quality. So if you are a bit more of a better quality freelancer, you can go to Upwork.com to do that. This is probably one of the easiest ways to make money online as a student. Now, the third way to make money, and one of my favorites as well, is called affiliate marketing. Now, what affiliate marketing essentially is, it's when you go and find a product online. So for example, any product, it could be a software, a course, or anything like that, and you promote that product via a special link. When someone clicks that link and makes a purchase, you get a commission, okay? You actually make money. Now, the best way to do this, I will leave a video as well below on how you can do that. So I have a full affiliate marketing tutorial that you can click below on how to do that. But one of the best ways is this website here. So this is one of my websites. What I do is I write content using a blog. Now, I use a paid blog, but you can actually use a free blog. I'll show you how to do that in a second. But I use a blog here where people can actually click on these articles that I've written about specific topics, And I can get an affiliate commission when they click on the links and stuff like that. All right. So when they click on like some of these links, but also when they click on this on the right side, this is a banner. This goes to a website called GetResponse, and I get a commission from this website. Okay. So if someone makes a purchase here, I would get a commission. Now, how do you sign up as an affiliate? Very simple. You scroll down to the bottom of any website you want to promote or any product or any course, and it will have a link like right here, affiliate programs. And you can sign up as an affiliate and get paid. And then you go and use a traffic source like YouTube or creating your own blog to get paid and get traffic to that affiliate link. Now you can actually start a free website to do this. You can go to wordpress.com and you can click on pricing and plans. Now there's some premium plans that you can do, but you can actually start a free website by go start for free. And you can start a free subdomain and you can start writing content based on a specific product or topic. And then you can actually start promoting affiliate marketing links on that website. And here is a full tutorial on how you can do this. I will leave a link below for that. Now, another way to actually make money with affiliate marketing is via what we call Amazon Associates. So you can be an affiliate for Amazon. And for example, if I click on this video right here, best camera for YouTube, the Canon M50 or the Sony ZV, I scroll down here, they've got Amazon links here. These are Amazon affiliate links. So if you have any product in your house, like for example, I've got this spray can here. This is spray glue. I could best spray glue product brands, right? And I could do a video on that. You should have, oh, here we go, microphone. Okay, you should have products in your house that you can actually do reviews on. So this is a microphone. Then I can go to Amazon and it's called Amazon Associates. I can find affiliate links to this microphone and then I can put it in the description of YouTube. And when I click on this, it goes to Amazon. And if someone purchases this from this video right here, I would get a small commission for doing that. So it's a really great way to go and make money as a student because you can do this with products that you already have at your house and you can upload them to YouTube for completely free so you can get free traffic. All right, guys, so those are the 3 best ways that I recommend to make money as a student in 2021. My favorite way to make money is with affiliate marketing. That's how I make quite a lot of my money online. If you want some more free tutorials on how to make money with affiliate marketing, I will leave some videos up on the screen right now that will take you through step by step how to do affiliate marketing. And these are completely free videos.